Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the bride and groom pop-up card. This card is completely a good idea gift for wedding. This tutorial helps make the card yourself to give the best wishes to married couples. I hope this video is helpful to you. Now, let's get started. Making this card is so simple. I just need to prepare 3 colored cardstocks, 1 red, 1 beige, 1 orange. I recommend using 250 GSM cardstocks. Next is Cricut machine. If you don't have Cricut machine, you can use the craft knife. And finally, glue and double-sided tape. And this is the template of the pop-up card. I'll leave the link to download the template in the description of the video, so please download it and cut them out with Cricut machine or craft knife. There are 4 pieces. I'll take any 2 pieces here and put them together. As you can see, there are hooks on 2 sides of each piece. I'll need to fold the hook gently and put it to the small slot of the other piece. I'm going to do the same thing on the others. The pieces will be put together to make the top of the gazebo. Okay, now I'll leave this aside. Next, I'll take the 4 rectangular pieces. I'll put the 2 pieces together so that the 2 tops are at the same side. Then I'll take the top of the gazebo and put it to these rectangular pieces. Folding the hook gently helps put it into the slot easier. Okay, I'll keep on taking the other piece and putting it into assemble piece. In the gazebo foot of the 2 pieces are on the same side. Similarly, I'll take the top of the gazebo to the rectangular pieces. And this is the last one. I'll also put the two pieces together so that the two tops of the two pieces are on the same side. And put the top of the gazebo to the last piece. Now, I'll take the two pieces. I'll put the bride and groom pieces inside the gazebo. As for this piece, I'll put inside the gazebo too, but the piece is perpendicular to the bride and groom piece. Okay, I'm done with the gazebo. I'll put it aside. I'll take the two pieces to make the card base. I'll put the gazebo tops into the slots on the two pieces. Then I'll front the tops. Add double-sided tape. And stick them to the piece. I'll do the same thing on the other side. It's easy, right? Okay, I'm going to move to the last steps. I'll take the two pieces to make the card cover. There is the dotted line, so I front along it. Then I'll add double-sided tape on the cover. And attach the two pieces like this. I'll open the card cover and put the card base in the middle of the cover. Firstly, I'll add the double-sided tape to the four edges of the card base. Then, I'll add glue on the cover, actually on the patterns of the cover. Okay, now I'll stick the cover to the base. Then I'll flip over the card and do the same things on the other side. Now I'm done with the card. Let's see how it turns out when the card opens. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like my videos, hit the ring bell button below to update more. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. See you next time.